Welcome to EasyWay.
This is our 100 kWh energy storage cabinet, which consists of 7 battery packs and a high voltage box. Each battery pack consists of 16 cells with a capacity of 280 ampere hours. The high voltage box is used to control and protect the battery, which is achieved by the control and protection system in the high voltage box. The system can be equipped with an inverter. For EasyWay commercial and industrial energy storage system, 100 kWh, safety is protected by several methods. First, the cooling system consists of a fan and an air conditioner. The two work together to cool the battery. Second, the explosion-proof system is mainly composed of a pressure relief valve. If the pressure inside the system rises due to temperature rise, the valve will automatically start and release the pressure to prevent the entire battery system from exploding. Third, the fire prevention system consists of 3 parts: smoke sensor, fire sprinkler heads, perfluorohexanol fire extinguishing device. The 3 can effectively detect any factors that may cause combustion and transmit the information to EMS. EMS will respond quickly and issue a fire extinguishing order. Temperature and humidity sensor. Real-time temperature and humidity can be displayed by this. Water immersion transmitter. Water immersion transmitter prevents greater damage that may result from water ingress. We use grade A LiFePO4 batteries with a 15-year design life and more than 8,000 cycle life at 80% depth of discharge, backed by a 10-year warranty. We provide 24/7 remote maintenance and settings to ensure optimal performance and prompt support whenever needed.